Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us learn how to update these plugins here. So once you come across your website and you see that you have plugins which need to be updated, it's very simple to do that because we have plugins. First of all, to check them, come and click to updates. After clicking updates, you'll find that you'll have the new version of WordPress which needs to be updated. Plugins, 15 plugins need to be updated, and 6 themes which need to be updated. So we are going to update one by one, starting with the plugins. To update the plugins, click here, then click update, and you wait for the magic. See how it's updating. We're on the 9th plugins, the 10th one now, 11th one now, 12th one now, 13th one now, 14th one, the last one now. So we are done with updating the plugins, and they are all updated now because these are 12 plugins plus there, and the languages all are updated. The next thing, click on updates. It will load here. Then you'll find themes which need to be updated. Check all themes, then update. Follow themes are updated. Check once again to see what needs to be updated. You'll find that we have one item which needs to be updated. So now here we have the WordPress version which needs to be updated. So to do that, but now here it is already updated because it's saying that you are using the current version of WordPress. So that is already updated. So now this one also, you can still update it, and you leave. By the time you come and check your plugins, you find that you have updated most of them. But this one has refused because it needs the license for it to be updated. So that's how simple you can update your plugins.